think we start in here. Oh, are we testing out our weapons right now?
We're protoing, yeah. So
Yeah.
you gotta get over there.
Alright.
It's gonna feed for the first couple rounds.
It feeds like.
Yo, oh.
My gun's like, my other gun was the same size.
Too hot.
But I guarantee it's like
DMR
Oh, yeah.
now.
This isn't made out of metal.
That's fine. That
Take that. Another one? One more. Alright, you're right on that limit, so just be mindful of that, but here's a 20-foot gate.
You want to trim? I was trying to help, but you're like, no.
I'm on high frustration, so I there, here.
I get your
space. Alright, so you.
Hey, can you guys put this on my, like, 20s too? Oh, thank you.
What you need? Right here is good?
Yep.
Shoot 2 up high last time.
Huh?
Didn't shoot 2 up high.
2 at Kyra?
No, didn't shoot 2 up high.
No, I shoot at 1. You could shoot 2 at a time by going full auto.
Didn't shoot up high.
Oh, I think so, yeah. Oh, is full auto allowed? Or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Alright, you guys are hanging out over here.
And you guys are cool.
And then I'm gonna throw.
Sounds like it's clutching out.
Diego, thank you. I was about to call him Dakota, I don't think that's right. Diego, I'm gonna throw you over here.
Shoot. Ooh. Oh, shit. Ooh. Yeah, no, this is bad. Oh, fuck. Ooh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Wait. What the fuck? I can't even see where my bullets are going.
I'm right here.
Oh my god, dude. I cannot see them in these houses, bro. Oof. Yo, do you see where they are? I don't. Oh!
Alright guys, come here.
Even that range
Let's
right there
talk
is
real
like
quick.
double what you were getting.
Bad things happened last time. We kind of got our butts kicked.
You know this is gonna be all.
The first half, we had dominant second half. I'm willing to print things.
We got to take ground early. So like this back row of buildings just does not exist to us off the start. Make sure you get to like the second and even possibly the third row. The farther you get, the farther they get pinned back. If they get pinned all the way back, they'll have no cover and they'll sit there the whole game. The start of this is just all about taking cover. So if you don't have really great range, get close. The best way is if you hold this top corner, in this corner, they get stuck in that corner every time.
Thanks, coach.
You're gonna suck either way.
Snake. Very much. Snake. You're a slithery snake. Snake.
You must be venomous.
Or are you right? Are you
I like the cobra. You like that?
go.
This my show. shit, bro. Woo! I see him. Ready? Yep, yep. Ready, ready, ready. Woo. You see him? You see him? Woo. I see him, I see him. Hey, house. That house in that middle, bro. Ready? About cross over. Allah! Woo! Woo! I'm going left. Sorry. Woo! Faster, faster! Bismillah!
Eric, pull back! He's friendly! He's friendly!
Alright.
Pull back!
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Spot now. We'll see. Obviously, I can balance as the day goes on. But this next game is going to be Conquest. If you've ever played Battlefield, there's flags out on the field, blue and red. Your team color should be on top as you claim the flag.
What? There's a jump when you're in slips.
I've already thought of it, sir.
I feel like that's basic.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, notice.
Did you flip your sight up?
I can't use it anyway.
I guess. Arbuma. Run, 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 they're shooting at us. Oh shit.